facing some problems regarding the admission process of GLA University. So this video is for you, and through this video we're going to help you with the admission process of GLA University. So for the first step, you have to register yourself on the website of GLA University, that is www.gla.ac.in. I'm going to put the link here as well as in the description box. Please check it. So after you register yourself at GLA University's website, GLA provides 73 test centers plus 40 admission office, जो कि आपको information plus help provide करेंगे if you are facing any kind of query. So after you pay 700 rupees admission fees for all the courses and 500 rupees for D Pharma, B.Ed and Diploma in Engineering, एक टेस्ट सेंटर आपकी कन्वीनियंसी के हिसाब से आप चूज कर सकते हैं, प्लस द डेट एंड टाइम विच इज कन्वीनियंट फॉर यू. एक मिनट कहाँ एडमिशन के लिए? ओ मैं भी GLA की स्टूडेंट हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पर 2 साल पहले एडमिशन लिया था. तो आप लोग आने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, तो मैं आपकी हेल्प कर देती हूँ. आइए लेट्स सी द प्रोसेस ऑफ GLA एडमिशन. So right now we are with the head of admission and also the head of business and management institute, Mr. Somesh Dhamija sir. Good afternoon sir.
Good afternoon.
सर हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि GLA में एडमिशन क्यों लें? जो बच्चे आने वाले हैं, आप उन्हें क्या टिप्स या क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे?
आप क्या चाहती हैं, मैं हिंदी में आंसर दूं, इंग्लिश में आंसर दूं?
जैसे भी आप चाहें.
Okay, in my opinion, anyone who is coming to take admission in GLA University or any university of this stature should focus on 2 or 3 fundamental issues. Number 1, the quality of faculty members, how learned faculty is being appointed by the university, because it is about the passing on the learning from faculty to students, which only takes place once faculty work and behave like a facilitator, like a mentor, and help students to grow. That is the first point. Another point is the institutional support and opportunity to learn. What is the mindset of the people associated with the university? How they are giving due exposure? Do guest lecturers come? Are they organizing conference, workshops, seminars, guest lectures, symposia, so that students should understand what is really going on in the corporate world? Third and the important thing is association with academic people along with the corporate world. So are the students being sent for summer training? Are students being sent for live projects? Are they really learning what is the need of the industry? Because once who is taking admission need not to qualify this year itself, they will enter into corporate domain after a couple of years. For an undergraduate engineering program, it usually takes 4 years as per the norms of the UGC. So it is important for an academician like us and a university like GLA to make students understand that what kind of challenges are they going to face after 4 years and to make them ready for that. So we believe this kind of ideology we adopt, and we really believe in this kind of system at GLA University.
Thank you so much sir for your words. I hope these are helpful for you. So एडमिशन की प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होती है इस सेल से, जिसे कि एग्जामिनेशन सेल बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर आपका पहला स्टेप द टेस्ट इज टेकन. सो लेट मी शो यू इनसाइड. ये नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस के लिए रूम है जिसमें कि काउंसलिंग होती है, फाइलिंग्स एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है. तो मैं उनकी टेबल्स डेस्क दिखाती हूँ आपको. मैम, दिस इज़ द ऑफिस जहाँ पर चालान कटता है बिफोर यू रजिस्टर एंड बिफोर यू डिपॉजिट योर फीस. सो लेट मी शो यू इनसाइड. So the last process, fees depositing. Fees depositing is a mess, but not in GLA because GLA have their own branch of Indian Overseas Bank. Helpful, and in case of any other queries, please check out GLA University's website, and you can also call the admission office if needed.